Hey, you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet with a Dollar Tree shop with me that is a little bit different. Let me explain.
So this is a random impromptu one because there's not much new here.
Right now you're gonna find mostly all the patriotic things and all of the summer stuff. You'll still see them stocking things, but most of it's gonna be a replenish of things that are already on the shelves. And as soon as 4th of July hits, all of the back to school things will just hit the shelves. Already starting to see a little bit of it now.
There are a few new things, so let's try and find those.
And when I said there are a few new things, there really are. Check out this whole new planner section. This is from the Jot brand. We've seen planners from them before, but this is a little bit different. They are like new and improved. They have a whole new package of stickers for planners. They have everything you need written on them: vacation, reminder, appointments, or important things. They have a new packet of notes assortment filler pages. These go inside your planner covers. They have a monthly assortment filler page pack that has 30 pieces of it, so this would be for every month. And then they have some new covers. I saw 3 different styles at my Dollar Tree, and this is very familiar because I remember the ones they had a couple years ago that were brand new too, but these are completely different and a little bit bigger. Also found some packages of page markers, little page flags in different colors, and then we have these pastel discs to hold it all together, and 3 different colors is what I saw at my store. Here's the one that they had last year. It's very similar, and it came with just a little bit different style. I'm gonna get a close-up here of the size difference so you can see that the last one that had was smaller. This time it's a little bit bigger, still a really nice size. If you see this and you like planners, you guys have got to check them out. They are really, really cool. In the craft section, I found some new clear stamps. Now I have a video planned to do this on my crafting channel to test them out. However, I never saw these, so I want to make sure I showed these. And then we also had this set here, which I think is also a new set. Let me know if I'm wrong. Another thing that caught my eye were these. They are iron-on sheets, and I'm not quite sure exactly how to use them. I guess similar to like on a Cricut, and they're just kind of pre-made pages that you cut and iron on. A couple different styles in this too. Some shiny things, some animal print, some butterflies, some just tie-dye looking things, and it just says you iron it on. So if you tried it, let me know. Found these at many different stores. These are bamboo rings. I guess you could use these as wreath forms. They're kind of cool. There was the 2-pack, and then I also saw this single pack, which is just a little bit bigger. Then I also saw some that were made out of plastic, much smaller. I only saw these at one store, and then when I went back, they were completely gone. They come in a couple of different colors for embroidery. You can also use punch needle with these. They're kind of cool. This is a new item too. It is great for painting or putting some vinyl on. It has a wooden handle, looks like a paddle. Some great iron-ons too. Lots of things that are already done for you, and all you literally have to do is iron it on. I like that because if you don't want to get too crafty with the Cricut stuff, then these are some great options. They even had some that you could adhere to mugs, which is nice. It's already done for you, printed, the sayings on there, and you can just apply it to your mug. Some foil glitter. This came in a couple of different colors. Very impressed with this because I think this would be great for making wax things or even resin projects. So it came in a couple different colors: the silver, the gold, and then the bronze. In the office supply section, I found this at a couple different stores too. It is a different brand of chalk, which is great for writing. This is indoor chalk, chalkboard kind of stuff. There was a colored box and there was a white. Open it up before you buy it and make sure all of your pieces are still in one piece. Just side note too, you can also buy the name brand Crayola one, just get less to a package, but some stores do have that too. Moving on to toys, we have brand new Tonka trucks. These are so cool because you can apply the decals to them to make it your own. There's a truck, a dump truck, an ambulance, even a fire truck, and they look to be very, very sturdy. I haven't tried it out yet, but these looked really cool. This disc golf was new in the outdoor play section for summer. I have never seen this before. It's a really cool thing where it has the flags and you have to throw your disc to make your points. And then they finally brought back the double bubble container. So these are 2 wands in one for the same price. So this is a much better deal than the long ones because you have 2, especially if you have 2 kids or more. Turbo Wheels has these new trucks in too. They're big rigs like the one with the logs. We have a truck here and then also an oil tanker. Very cool. Love Turbo Wheels. They always come out with some really great things. I can't recommend them enough. Not 100% sure if these are new, but they are comic books that are supporting the toy line that Dollar Tree has called Final Faction. And there's a whole bunch of different toys that you can get in these comic books, kind of show you what's going on with the storyline. So here's a couple of the packages they had at this store. They were fully stocked at the time. There are ATVs, there are all kinds of vehicles. I believe you can put them together. They're like little kits to put together, and there's all kinds of different characters. If you go to the Dollar Tree website, you can also see the selection they have there. I feel like this is exclusive to Dollar Tree. That's supposed to be imitating a name brand. If you know what that is, leave a note in the comics because I want to know which one it's imitating, because these look like really, really good sets. Like you could have a whole play set with all this stuff. The Uno Go cards are back. This is regular Uno, just smaller. This is a deal, you guys. Grab that. Lots of different Crayola wooden craft kits. I have tried these before in the past and had good luck with them. So if you want a quick summer project, this is where to look. You can put one of these together very quickly in an afternoon. They actually turn out really decent. I did find a couple sets of tattoo packages, all kinds of different styles in this one, including licensed characters, birthday parties, stocking stuffers. This is where you get it and you save it for later. Big deal on these. Love those. Also great for camps or vacation Bible school, that sort of thing. A new fidget toy. It's an oscillating slug or caterpillar. These are mini. There's actually full-size versions I've seen over at Target. These are much smaller, so I'm not quite sure if they're going to work as well. Dino scratch stickers. So this is scratch paper where you get the little tool to scratch it off and reveal the color. Also found it in rainbow unicorn too. And in one of my last videos, I talked about all of the new doll accessories they had, and this was a new one since that video, and that is the pool. So these work with your Barbie sized dolls, and this is the pool one. There's a whole bunch of other ones too that I showed. We have a dart blaster. Now the disc one I tried in a Dollar Tree toy test and wasn't too impressed with it. It worked, it was okay. And now they have the dart blaster. And if you check me on Instagram, you will see that I already love this. It really is cool, it works. This one on the other hand is another new item from Turbo Wheels, which did what it was supposed to do, but it was a big headache to put together. It comes with the track pieces, a car and a sign. Love the car, love the sign, love the track when it's put together. It was a pain to put together though. I mean, a pain. Over on Instagram, I asked you guys if this is a thing. I do not know if this is a thing. Is this a cartoon? Is this a series? Or is this just a Dollar Tree thing? I'm still confused, but they had lots of different characters and little play sets that went along with them. So I am confused. I might be out of the know. I might not even know what this is. Waggles, I think it's called. So you guys will have to enlighten me, but Dollar Tree had a lot, and I saw this at several different stores. I mean, they're really cute though. I mean, I can see how they would really work together in one full play set. Or maybe it's a knockoff of something else that I don't know about. Please let me know. Okay, let's get on to some of the random stuff around the store that are new. These wall protectors are amazing to put and protect your wall, like if a handle hits a door. They come in so many different sizes in one package. It's 48 pieces. You get square ones and round ones in different sizes too. This sink and drain plunger will help unclog all kinds of things, and it's mini and handheld. Great for small spaces. These belts were all over Instagram, and I actually found some left. They're from Walmart at Dollar Tree, so they're worth, $10 to $15. These are the only two styles this store had available, but on Instagram I saw there was a whole bunch more out there. These reusable lunch sets are not new. I have never seen them in my store, so I was very happy. I found a couple of different styles. I like the clear the best personally. They come two to a package. The SureFresh brand has some too that are a little bit bigger. They come in these kind of fruit selection too, and these are just reusable Ziploc bags is what they are. And finally, my store got the covers for the bowls. I have not seen these before in my store. They're two to a package, and you place them over bowls and they hold tight. Love these. Just want to mention them because they were here. These are great for sensory play. And then we have some really cool ice packs and all kinds of different fruit selections, which are also great if your kids get hurt in the summertime. Put that on them, it'll make it all better. These straw sets have been very popular because they are also from Walmart. And then I did find some car coasters in a whole bunch of different styles. Put this in your cup holder in your car and it will help any kind of leaking liquid or condensation from getting on the bottom of your cup holder. These came two to a package and there was a lot to choose from. And then I know these are an old one. These are the chopping mats, and they come in clear. I didn't realize they came in different colors. There is also a green and a blue. So if you use these for crafting, there you go, some new colors. I hope you like this little mini shop with me, spur of the moment video. Click subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.